Mastering, from time to time, a guide to frequency phrases. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of English phrases, focusing on from time to time. This phrase is not just a collection of words. It's a gateway to expressing frequency in a nuanced and natural way. So, let's embark on this journey to understand and use from time to time, like a native speaker. From time to time is an idiomatic expression used to describe an action or event that happens occasionally but not regularly or frequently. It's a way to convey that something occurs, but not in a patterned or predictable manner. This phrase adds a touch of vagueness regarding the exact frequency, making it perfect for situations where you want to express irregularity without being specific. To truly master from time to time, it's essential to understand its place among other frequency phrases. For instance, always implies that something happens all the time, without fail. Often, or frequently, suggest a high occurrence rate. Sometimes is more neutral, indicating a fair occurrence. Rarely, or seldom, point to a low occurrence rate. Never means it does not happen at all. From time to time fits comfortably between sometimes and rarely, providing a flexible and non-committal frequency level. Using from time to time in sentences helps convey your message with the right nuance. Here are some examples. She visits the old town from time to time, reminiscing about her childhood. I enjoy hiking in the mountains from time to time. It's a great escape from the city life. From time to time, he likes to experiment with different cuisines in his cooking. Notice how the phrase subtly indicates that these activities happen occasionally, without specifying when or how often. To add variety to your speech or writing, you might want to use synonyms or variations of from time to time. These include occasionally, now and then, every so often, once in a while. Each of these can be used interchangeably with from time to time, although slight nuances might affect the choice based on context. Congratulations on exploring the depths of from time to time. This phrase is a fantastic tool in your English language arsenal, adding subtlety and sophistication to your expressions of frequency. We hope this video has enlightened you and that you'll use from time to time confidently in your conversations and writings. Keep practicing, and until next time, happy learning!